Hello, Matt here, and today we'll finally continue to work on the BMW, namely the thing I've been looking forward to the most, LCI front end. Well, first things first, I need to clean up the shed a bit because it's a complete mess, so let's start with that. So the first side of the bumper is off. It's not actually that bad, it has a lot of 8mm screws that hold the fender liner in. And then you have the two screws that go up here, so just undo those two and it's ready to go. Now we will unplug the fog lights and take off the other side. So, as I said, now we unplug these little fellows. Or do the easier thing, just remove the bulbs. And this one too. So they are out, and the bumper should just come off. So now we take off the headlights. As I can see, we have a T40, I believe, Torx here, and one here, 10mm here, oh, one there, 4. Now I don't know how much you can see, but there are two bolts here, one here and one, maybe you can see this one better, here, and they keep spinning and giving me trouble. So as you can see, it's not a happy solution, this. What I have to do is grab them something like this and try and turn them. I also had to remove the bumper protective, whatever this is called, I don't know. I had to remove it because I needed a bit more room to see what's going on. So also left the upper screw inside just so that the headlight is stable and it doesn't fall off when I undo the bolts. So one bastard is out and one to go. So let's see if I can hold it tight enough. No, I cannot. And it's out. Now we just remove this one. This one is finger tight in, just to hold everything in place. And the headlight should come out. And now for the moment of truth. Will the LCI headlight fit the older model? As for the connector, it seems to fit. that's very, very good news. And as for all the mounts, well, they for now seem to fit. Just a small adjustment. We'll put this one in for now. Adjustment screws are accessible as the older one, but that was to be expected since the metal work is all the same. And yeah, good news, all the mounts fit exactly like they did with the old headlights, so let's put it all back together. Okay, so with the exception of the two lower bolts that were rusted out and gave me all hell, this was quite a simple job. And as you can see, it's successful. So everything works. And the new headlights are on. Now we need to tighten them up a bit, adjust them if necessary, and it's time to try and fit the bumper. So let's get on with that. So here we are, one brief facelift, in my opinion, ugly bumper off the car, and one facelifted bumper with much nicer headlights on the car. As you can see, I went with cheap Chinese matte black grills, and everything else is stock BMW. So what you will need for this job: one bumper with all the grills on it and two headlights. You will also need this filler piece, but I didn't put one on the car, and I think it's not really necessary as it's all tight and sturdy, so shouldn't be any problems with that. As for the looks of the car, there is only one little thing I need to do. Since now everything is white and black, I want to change this chrome ring and put the matte black one in. And also to show you, as you can see, the spacings are quite nice. A little bit will work here, but we'll align it all up once the bumper is painted. So Hope you liked this one. Hope it was helpful. If you have any additional questions, please post them down in the comments. And as always, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.